session on Lightning Web Component, how we create the component and how we create the Hello World Web Component. So yeah, I'm creating a Lightning Web Component. You can press Shift, Control Shift P, the window, the CLI open. You can select the SCFDC create Lightning Web Component, and you can write the name Hello Component. Like you can save into the default LWC directory. As you can see that the folder is created. Coming to the as you can see there is a hello component is created. There is a three files like hello component.html, hello component.js, and hello component.js meta XML. Basically, HTML file is rendering the HTML tag, and and uh, and the JS file create a business logic to send the data to the HTML file and getting the data from the HTML file, and the hello component.js meta XML file is a main file to configuration, like where we want to display the this component. Uh, as you can see this file, there is a API version is export. If we do the is export store, then we have to show the target where we want to uh, visible this component. Uh, as you can see, we do this uh, I'm creating one target. It will visible into the home page. Save the file. We can create a multiple targets like home app page, target, and the record page. It will visible on the home page, app page, and record page. So coming to the HTML file, we can write like h1 tag hello world, and the JS file we can write like we can define a variable like message. Can save the file and display the message into the HTML file. We can did not define the message like hello world. Save the file. Again, we can in H2 we can display the message that we define in the JS file. Save the files. Save the all files and deploy the deploy this folder into the org. Like there is a deploy source to the org. So yeah, we write message variable and display this message variable into HTML file, and this is a configuration file. The this component will display into the home page and app page and record page. So go to the home page, like you can in the gear icon you can edit the page and this page will display. Like we create a hello component, so display the component into the like today's task there. Like as we say hello world written into the display in the component. Like save the component. So activate the page by clicking the save button. You can save. There will be option of the activate and activate the page. Go back to the home page. You will see this component. This is the hello world h1 and h2. h2 is smaller than h1. So by default, LWC created three files like a .html file and a .js file and the configuration file .xml file. So we can create a two or more file like .css file and .xml .css and .cfg file. CSS file contain the style sheet. We can define the CSS in that file. .cfg file contain the icons. If we create a .css file, we should write a dot styling and the same thing applied in the .cfg file. If we create a .cfg file, we have to apply the icon. We can define the custom icons. So yeah, by default, the component define the three files, but we can create two more files like .css and .cfg file. Uh, we can also create a subfolder into this folder, and uh, if we is explore this wall, so this component will not display into the home page or app page or record page, but we can use this component as a child component. So today is all about the LWC component. Thanks for watching this video. In the next video we will apply the CSS part, and thank you so much.